welcome to the Gadgetry Guide's 2-Minute Tech Tuesday CES Edition. CES 2018 is wrapped up, and here are some of the highlights from the week. TV shows aren't the only thing getting rebooted from the 90s. Sony's Aibo robotic dog is also getting a relaunch with some new AI features, allowing it to recognize different people and develop a personality over time. And speaking of TV, Samsung introduced a 146-inch micro-LED modular TV. No word yet on how the modularity aspect will work, but the micro-LED tech is supposed to be just as beautiful and contrasty as today's high-end OLED TVs. Not to be topped, LG unveiled the world's first 65-inch OLED rollable TV capable of rolling up and hiding when not in use. In smart home tech, Lenovo and JBL had their new Google Home screens on display last week in an answer to Amazon's Echo Show. Lenovo is offering an 8 and 10-inch variant of their smart display, and JBL's Link View is another 8-inch entry into the smart screen segment. These will be available summer 2018 for an estimated $200 to $300 each. Amazon has moved on to bigger things, with the Alexa assistant being integrated into everything from faucets to mirrors, toilets, and bathtubs. The Huawei Mate 10 Pro is making its way to the US and was one of the most hyped phones at CES last week. Huawei is looking to challenge Samsung and Apple in the US market. Speaking of Samsung, they had a closed-door showing of the prototype foldable phone. They had an in-folding and out-folding model. Though this isn't ready for release, early reports are that at the earliest, it will be released December 2019. Last but not least is Chinese phone maker Vivo, who introduced the feature many thought would be in the iPhone X, an in-screen fingerprint reader. Well, there was plenty more that we can't get into in 2 minutes, but if you like what you saw, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for weekly tech news and reviews. Follow the Gadgetry Guide on Twitter and Instagram as well. See ya!